Okay, good morning, everybody. Today, I am Regi Festrasya and Zia Ulhaq will present about our reanalysis ELF4, which is facilitates innate host defense against Plasmodium by activating transcription of PF4 and PPBP. Okay, uh, as we know that malaria is a major problem, public health problem, especially in Africa and Southeast Asia. Drug resistance of Plasmodium parasites remains a pressing concern. So, this article hypothesis make hypothesis that ELF4 plays a critical role in host defense against Plasmodium uli 17XNL. Okay, for method we use, the one is transcriptomic analysis, the second is microarray analysis, and chip assay. Okay, this figure shows about ELF4 deficient mice suffer from severe malaria anemia. The figure A show that parasitemia of ELF4 and ELF4 mice infected with GFPP uli 17XNL, 1 from 105 infected red blood cells on the indicated days after infection was assessed by analyzing the percentage of GFP positive red blood cells infected via flow cytometry. And the figure B shows that the severity of malaria anemia was assessed by detecting RBC, HB, HCT, and MCH levels on the indicated days after infection. And the figure C shows that the level of thrombocytopoiesis was assessed by peripheral platelet counts and mean platelet volume or MPV. And then this figure is about type 1 EFN is irrelevant to mediate protection of mice from P. uli 17XNL infection. So this figure shows that from quantitative PCR analysis of EFNB1 and EFNG mRNA from blood samples of ELF4 and ELF4 mice infected with P. uli 17XNL on the indicated days after reinfection. Gene expression was relative to mouse HPRT. Okay, this figure is about the PF4 and PPBP expressions was lower in ELF4 mice after P. uli 17XNL infection. Figure A shows that a list of the very top enriched genes from RNA sequence data that were induced more than 1.4-fold in the bone marrow of ELF4 mice compared with ELF4 mice, another ELF4 mice. Figure B shows that a microarray analysis of diverse genes expression between ELF4 and ELF4 mice in response to infection with P. uli 17XNL. And figure C is quantitative PCR analysis of PF4 and PPBP mRNA in the blood of ELF4 and ELF4 mice on the indicated days after infections with Plasmodium uli 17XNL. Gene expressions in figure C was relative to mouse HPRT. And then this is about ELF who activates the promoter of PF4 and PPBP. Figure A and B. This is showing the luciferase activity in HAK293 T cells, which is transfected with mouse PF4 and PPBP promoter-driven luciferase reporters together with plasmid encoding flag L4, flag MEVS, flag STING, and flag ERF3 or flag ERF7. Figure A, and this is showing the increasing amount of plasmid expressing ELF4. And then for figure C, luciferase activity in HEK293 T cells transfected with human PF4 or PPBP promoter driven luciferase reporters together with increasing amount of plasmids expressing ELF4. And the figure D, it is showing the luciferase activity in HEK293 T cells transfected with mouse PF4 or PPBP promoter driven or human PF4 or PPBP promoter driven. And then this figure is showing about ELF4 activates the promoter of PF4 and PPBP. Figure A show us that luciferase reporters together with plasmid encoding ELF4 or its mutant ELF4 AALA, and the figure F it shows that luciferase activity in HEK293 cells transfected with the mouse PF4 promoter or the different GGAA mutated promoter-driven luciferase reporters together with the ELF4 expressions plasmid or MT factor. And then for figure G, it shows us that luciferase activity in HEK293 T cells transfected with different combination of PF4 promoter-driven luciferase reporters together with ELF4 expression plasmid or MT factor. And then the figure G, H, and I show that luciferase activity in HEK293 T cells transfected with truncations or TTCC mutation of PF4 promoter-driven luciferase reporters together with L4 expression plasmid or anti-factor. And then the figure G show that luciferase activity in HEK293 T cell transfected with the mouse PPBP promoter or the different GGAA mutated promoter-driven luciferase reporters together with ELF expression plasmid or MT factor. And then this figure is about ALF, which mediates the transcriptional activation of PF4 and PPBP. Figure A says show that expression of PF4 and PPBP in WT health cell or HEL cells stably transfected with ELF4 was assessed by qPCR analysis. And VEC or vector CPVEC lentivirus paging lenticrypts V2 vector infected. And then figure B shows that expressions of PF4 and PPBP in WT or ELF4KO in health cells was assessed by qPCR analysis. And figure C that show that the binding ability of ELF4 on PF4 and PPBP promoters was assessed by a cheap qPCR analysis with WTL cells or HEL cells stably transfected with ELF4 or ELF4 AALA. And then for figure A and B, it showed that gene expressions were relative to human GAPDH. And then this figure is about ELF modulates the expression of PF4 and PPDP during Plasmodium bullae infections. Figure A says that quantifications of bone marrow megakaryocyte was assessed by calculating the percentage of megakaryocyte in the total bone marrow cells on the indicated days after infections. And the figure B shows that expressions of P4 PF4 and PPBP in isolated megakaryocyte from ELF4 mice on day 0, 6, day 9, and day 18 after infection. And figure C show that the protein level of PF4 in peripheral platelets on day 0, 7, or 14 after Plasmodium uli infections from individual ALF4 or ALF mice. And then figure D shows that protein level of PPBP in peripheral platelets on day 0, 7, or 14 after Plasmodium uli infection from the same individual ELF4 mice as in figure C. For B, gene expressions was relative to ACTB, and for figure C and D, GAPDH was used as a control. From this, we can conclude that our reanalysis shows that the innate human signaling molecule ELF4 functions in defending against Plasmodium uli infections via activating transcription PF4 and PPBP. Thank you.